AI modeling for costing of bill of materials, BOM, to improve efficiency and accuracy. Book for your library and Python programs for the result, shown in video. Scan QR code, bookstore in the cloud. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AIDNN architect. About thumb lane. Overall, the thumb lane represents the application of machine learning or artificial intelligence through the lens of probability and statistics, perhaps referencing supervised learning where a model is trained on labeled data. The bill of materials, BOM, for assembly A, is to be the main product being assembled. Here's a breakdown of the information in the table. Title, #result, BOM requirement to produce 50 assembly A. This title indicates that the table shows the materials needed to produce 50 units of assembly A. Levels, the table is divided into levels, which likely represent the hierarchy of how the assemblies are built. Level 1, Assembly A, number, this level shows the number of Assembly A units required, which is 50. Level 2, Assembly A components, this level lists the components directly needed to assemble Assembly A. Level 3, Assembly A components, this level shows components required to build the Level 2 components. There may be even deeper levels depending on the complexity of Assembly A. Components, each level lists the components needed for that level. For example, Level 2 shows that 750 units of Component A1 and 1000 units of Component A2 are required to produce 50 units of Assembly A. Quantity, this column shows the quantity of each component needed. The table calculates the total quantity required based on the number of Assembly A units being produced and the number of lower-level assemblies or components each Assembly A unit needs. For instance, it shows that 6,000 units of component BB1 are required because 120 units of BB1 are needed per unit of A2, and 50 units of Assembly A require 1,000 units of A2. Overall, the BOM table in this screenshot provides a clear breakdown of the components and their quantities needed to manufacture 50 units of Assembly A. This information is crucial for production planning, inventory management, and cost estimation. AI modeling and costing can be applied to the bill of materials, BOM, to improve efficiency and accuracy. Here's how. Traditional BOM costing, BOMs typically list components and their costs. Traditionally, these costs are static and manually updated. This can be inefficient and error-prone, especially for complex products with many components. AI-powered BOM costing, AI can analyze historical data, market trends, and supplier information to predict component costs more accurately. This can be done in real time, reflecting changes in the market. Benefits of AI for BOM costing. Improved cost accuracy, AI can consider various factors affecting component costs, leading to more realistic BOM estimates. Cost optimization, AI can identify cost-saving opportunities by suggesting alternative components or negotiating better prices with suppliers. Enhanced efficiency, automating BOM cost updates saves time and reduces manual errors. Example, AI in BOM costing. A manufacturing company uses AI to analyze historical data on component costs, considering factors like material prices and supplier lead times. The AI predicts a potential price increase for a critical component. The company can then negotiate with the supplier or explore alternative components to avoid cost overruns. AI and BOM considerations. Data integration. For effective AI-powered BOM costing, BOM data needs to be well integrated with other enterprise systems like procurement and inventory management. Model training. The AI model needs to be trained on a comprehensive dataset of historical BOMs and cost data. Expertise. While AI automates tasks, human expertise is still required to interpret AI outputs and make informed decisions. By leveraging AI for BOM costing, businesses can gain a competitive edge through better cost control and optimization. Thank you.